Iran is under attack, and this time, Russia and China are angry.
Are we at war?
Неспровоцированная абсолютно агрессия против Ирана не imеет под собой никаких оснований и никаких оправданий. Что вы сегодня в Москве?
中方高度关注以色列袭击伊朗，对有关行动可能带来的严重后果深感担忧。
While most people think America is just flexing its muscles again, what they don't see is that this time, the US is not facing one weak nation, it's poking two angry superpowers at the same time. Why? Because this isn't just about nuclear weapons anymore. America and Israel are openly trying to dethrone Iran's supreme leader and replace him with a Western puppet, just like they've done before. And history is witness to this action. Every time a leader stood up to the West, America dethroned the leader and installed a Western puppet. They did it in Iran to remove their prime minister to protect their oil. They did it in Chile to overthrow President Salvador to protect American copper mines. And in Guatemala, America launched a military coup, just to protect the lands of an American banana company. So if America can go to war for a banana, they'll absolutely go to war for a nuclear bomb. But this time, Russia and China might enter the fight. So the question is, what the hell is happening after the US attack on Iran? Why is Iran so important for Russia and China? And could this war escalate to a full-fledged world war?
Let's start with the first question: why is Iran so important for Russia and China? On 22nd on June 25, the US Air Force launched a strike on Iran nuclear sites.
A short time ago, the U.S. military carried out massive precision strikes on the three key nuclear facilities in the Iranian regime: Fordow, Natanz, and Esfahan. Everybody heard those names for years as they built this horribly destructive enterprise. Our objective was the destruction of Iran's nuclear enrichment capacity and a stop to the nuclear threat posed by the world's #1 state sponsor of terror. Tonight I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success. Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Iran, the bully of the Middle East, must now make peace. If they do not, future attacks will be far greater.
And this attacks has pushed the world to edge again because Iran has hit back at Israel and US military base in Qatar. But this is not about missiles anymore. Reports say that US and Israel are now planning to overthrow Iran regime, and if that happens, the world fears something much bigger. Russia and China might enter the war, because Iran isn't just another country, it is one of the most allies for both Russia and China. Iran is strategically important for both Russia and China due to several reasons. For Russia, 1. Geopolitical influence. Iran is a key player in the Middle East, allowing Russia to expand its influence in the region. 2. Energy cooperation. Russia and Iran collaborate on energy projects, such as the North Field gas project. 3. Counterbalance to US influence. Iran's anti-US stance aligns with Russia's interests, creating a common ground for cooperation. 4. Support in Syria. Russia supports Iran's ally, the Syrian government, in the Syrian civil war. For China, 1. Energy security. Iran is a significant oil and gas supplier to China, enhancing China's energy security. 2. Strategic partnership. China and Iran have a comprehensive strategic partnership, covering energy, trade, and infrastructure. 3. Belt and Road Initiative. BRI. Iran's location is crucial for China's BRI, which aims to connect Asia, Europe, and Africa through infrastructure projects. 4. Diversification of trade routes. China's partnership with Iran helps reduce reliance on maritime trade routes, enhancing its economic security. Common interests. 1. Multipolar world order. Both Russia and China seek to challenge US dominance, and Iran's independence from US influence aligns with their interests. 2. Regional stability. Russia and China cooperate with Iran to maintain regional stability, particularly in the Middle East. The strategic partnership between Russia, China, and Iran reflects their shared interests in energy, geopolitics, and regional influence. Why Russia and China would back Iran? Iran's strategic location offers several benefits for Russia and China. Upsides. 1. Access to Middle East and Africa. Iran's location allows Russia and China to project influence in the Middle East and Africa. 2. Energy resources. Iran is rich in oil and gas, providing energy security for both countries. 3. Trade routes. Iran's position enables Russia and China to access the Persian Gulf and Indian Ocean, facilitating trade with Asia, Africa, and Europe. 4. Counterbalance to US influence. Iran's anti-US stance aligns with Russia and China's interests, creating a common ground for cooperation. Downsides if Russia and China lose Iran. 1. Loss of regional influence. Losing Iran would diminish Russia and China's influence in the Middle East. 2. Energy security concerns. Alternative energy sources might be more expensive or unreliable. 3. Trade disruption. Losing access to Iranian trade routes could increase transportation costs and times. 4. Increased US presence. A US or NATO presence in Iran would undermine Russia and China's strategic interests. Why the region mustn't be under NATO or USA. 1. Loss of sovereignty. Regional countries might lose control over their own affairs. 2. Military presence. A NATO or US military presence could lead to instability and conflict. 3. Economic dominance. Western powers might exploit regional resources, undermining local economies. 4. Cultural and political differences. The region's unique cultural and political context might be disregarded. Regional dynamics. The Middle East is a complex region with diverse interests, cultures, and histories. A NATO or US presence could exacerbate existing tensions, leading to further instability. In summary, Iran's strategic location is crucial for Russia and China's energy security, trade, and regional influence. Losing Iran would have significant consequences for both countries. The region's complex dynamics and potential consequences of foreign intervention underscore the importance of regional autonomy and cooperation.
Vital due to their role in global energy transportation.